Greetings, dear food lovers. Today, we will embark on a delectable journey to explore the culinary history of Kazakhstan. This nation's cuisine, steeped in history, is a melting pot of flavors and traditions that tell a story as old as time. From the ancient nomadic tribes to the vibrant modern cities, every dish has a tale to tell. As we set off on this culinary adventure, the anticipation is palpable. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive right into the rich and diverse food culture of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan's culinary history is as vast and diverse as its landscape. It all began with the nomadic tribes in the ancient times. The early Kazakh nomads were masters of survival, living off the land and adapting to its harsh climates. Their food culture mirrored this resilience, with a focus on what was readily available: meat, dairy, and grains. Meat, especially horse and sheep, was a staple, providing much-needed protein and fat during the long, cold winters. Dairy, too, was a vital source of sustenance, cleverly transformed into a variety of products like kumis, a fermented mare's milk, and shubat, fermented camel's milk. Grains, although not as prevalent, found their way into dishes like Beshbarmak, a traditional Kazakh dish made with boiled meat and pasta. These nomadic roots laid the foundation for the hearty, protein-rich Kazakh cuisine we know today. The cuisine continues to reflect the strength and resilience of the Kazakh people, a testament to their enduring spirit. As centuries went by, the culinary practices of Kazakhstan evolved, absorbing influences from its neighbors and invaders. This evolution brought about a delightful blend of flavors, techniques, and ingredients that have shaped the country's food culture as we know it today. Let's take a moment to appreciate the Russian influence. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, Russian cuisine has left its mark on Kazakh kitchens. And who could overlook the Chinese influence? The introduction of noodles and dumplings and the art of stir-frying have enriched Kazakh cuisine, adding depth and variety. The Middle Eastern influence, on the other hand, is evident in the use of spices and herbs and the love for grilled meats. The intricate balancing of flavors is a testament to the Middle Eastern culinary wisdom that has seeped into Kazakh cooking. Over the years, these influences have given birth to some iconic dishes. Beshbarmak, for instance, is a beloved national dish that literally means 5 fingers, reflecting the traditional way of eating it with one's hand. Kazi, a special type of horse meat sausage, showcases the Kazakhs' nomadic heritage. And then there's shubat, a fermented camel's milk that is both a thirst quencher and a probiotic super drink. All these influences, all these new ingredients and cooking techniques have converged to create a cuisine that is distinctively Kazakh. Through this fusion of cultures, the modern Kazakh cuisine, a true gastronomic delight, was born. Fast forward to the present day, Kazakhstan's culinary scene is a vibrant blend of tradition and innovation. The food trends of today's Kazakhstan are an exciting kaleidoscope of flavors, ingredients, and techniques. A growing emphasis on local and organic produce has seen a resurgence of traditional Kazakh ingredients, from succulent mutton and hearty grains to vibrant fruits and vegetables. Street food, a testament to the Kazakhs' love for communal dining, has seen a surge in popularity. From sizzling shashlik skewers to steaming bowls of Beshbarmak, these culinary delights are enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. The resurgence of traditional cooking methods is also evident. Ancient techniques of fermentation, smoking, and drying are being incorporated into modern dishes, creating a wonderful fusion of old and new. Today, the culinary scene in Kazakhstan is a testament to its rich history, diverse influences, and the Kazakh people's love for good food. As we wrap up this mouth-watering journey, we hope you enjoyed this gastronomic adventure through Kazakhstan's culinary history. We've traversed through time from the humble origins of Kazakh cuisine, deeply rooted in its nomadic past, right to the vibrant culinary scene of today's Kazakhstan. We've discovered how the Kazakh people have nurtured their culinary traditions, passing them down through generations while also embracing modern influences. We've savored the flavors of Beshbarmak, Kazakhstan's national dish, and the sweet delight of chak-chak, among many others. This journey has shown us that Kazakh cuisine is more than just food. It's a reflection of the country's rich history, culture, and the warm hospitality of its people. Thank you for joining us on this culinary voyage. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Foods Around the Globe, for more delectable adventures. Until next time, bon appétit!